My eyelids work! Yay! Go to sleep. Okay. So that little broken piece, that was kind of fidgety. I had to take out, basically undo both of the little coils that are in here that are involved in the opening of the eyelids. Not necessarily fun, but it seems to be working now. Does what it's supposed to be doing. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I filmed that. I had some people in, so it was a little busy that I couldn't really talk while I was doing it. So this is just a footage of me kind of tinkering around and trying to get that piece back in, and I'll point out some of the things that I had a problem with. Right, so I had to take the eyelids back out, and of course his eye's all wonky now. This is the piece that needs to go in there. It goes in that way. And then this little guy right here needs to slip in between the piece I just got, and then we have to put the eyelids back in. So once we've got it in, it looks like this. That the shiny new white piece actually has to be underneath the bar that's right there. So we'll have to fiddle with that and get it underneath there. This is me trying to, there we go. So that's where it needs to sit. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's try it. Down, and no, I guess I gotta attach the coil, don't I? There, we'll screw everything back together again. We'll give it another shot. And nope, why for you no clothes? All right, we'll fiddle around with it a little bit more. Down, and then close. Perfect. All right, so getting him back in should be kind of the same as getting him out. Just gotta wiggle him in here. Alright, success is in. I think I'm going to put this on next because with this out of the way it might be a little bit easier. So that just had the little pin with the E-clip. Okay, great. Got that part. This goes on next, I guess. And this has to sit. How is this in here? This was in here this way. This is keyed, so it only goes in one way. What was this for? I don't remember. Alright, success. We've got them on there. One back there. So now we got to slip the bulldozer blade onto there and put the little E-clips on, and then we'll attach it underneath. Alright, bulldozer blade. This is all clipped in. It's cleaned up a bit. Let's see if we can get this down here. I'm gonna tighten his head up, and then we'll attach this under. No, I'll tighten his head up. Then we'll clip this guy on, I guess. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Not sure. All right, that went right where it's supposed to go. Well, still works. Not still works. Okay. It's on that side.
Prepare for the gamma in motion.
We're on that side. Alright, let's get our little E-clips on. Where the heck are those? So this clips onto the side, and then E-clips hold it in place. Okay, bulldozer's hooked up. Now we have to hook up this little Y-shaped bob, and that's just a spring on either side. That's in. Great. Let's put the subway back, I guess. Come on. Just noticed that the wire off of this popped off. Fix that before I forget. Of course, this one just came off. Perfect. Well, at least I did it while I was in here.
Prepare for the gamma in motion.
Okay, good. That's just to pop the ball out of her mouth and make it in. Okay. Do it? Bye now.
Time to go to work. Let's fire that
Wake
thing
up. Haha.
Hey, look, man, Captain Cat.
You will remove that bulldozer from the street.
Go get him, Chad.
I want to make sure his subway works.
Thursday. Friday. Quick time.
Where's my pink? Payday! Let's party! Put on your dancing shoes,
Payday.
Oh, I'm all worn out.
Party time.
I'm shut down.
All right, make sure they go to sleep. She won't. He did. So she's just on amphetamines. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna be fine with that. So we'll put his head back on and call it a day for right now. Right, so we're back together again. I played a couple games. Everything's working fine. Unfortunately, as I was filming this, I got an out of space error on my camera, so I took it in the back. I started dumping files off of it, and one thing led to another, and somehow I ended up losing some of the files. So I'm missing some of the footage, but that's okay because really I'm just doing the opposite of what we did when I took it apart. Just the opposite, puts it back together again. So you can go watch that one in reverse. I guess that's it. I'm not going to worry about Red not being able to sleep. She's just hopped up on methadone or something. I don't know. We'll crack her open another day and we'll see what's going on with that. Probably the same thing that was going on with Ted. But she does go half mast, eyelids at half mast, and can open them back up all the way. So maybe it's just something stupid. Okay, I guess that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hey, so before you go, if you could do us a favor and like and subscribe to the channel, that would be super awesome. It helps the algorithms display our page so that other people can find our videos. Also, we get a lot of comments that say, hey, your video really helped me fix this machine that I did or something. Wish I could buy you a beer. So we decided we'll start a Patreon page. If you like what we're doing, the lower level is just sort of like a monthly tip. It's just $1 or $2. I call it the Krobin and Lilu Fund or something like that. Just no special perks. It just helps us buy peanuts for the crows. And it's just kind of a way to sort of support us. The upper level, we're going to be doing special things like live streams or special content and that kind of thing. We're still getting that figured out. Next couple of days, we should have that sorted out. But if you just want to help buy peanuts for the mascots, then that'd be great.